Hello, dear friends. Heavy machinery and equipment are technological wonders that amaze us. With their enormous size and extraordinary strength, they can complete impossible tasks and overcome all obstacles. To know how they work, let's explore together now. Bela's 75710 is a heavy truck produced by the Belarusian company Belas. It is known as one of the largest and heaviest trucks in the world, with the ability to transport rock materials up to 450 tons. Bela's 75710 is approximately 20.6 feet long, 9.87 feet wide, and 8.16 feet tall. The empty weight of the Bela 75710 is 360 tons, and it can carry loads up to 450 tons. It is equipped with a diesel engine with a capacity of up to 4,600 horsepower. It also has an electromagnetic suspension system that helps ensure safe vehicle control. The Shovel 996, the world's largest mining excavator, is an impressive machine used in the coal mining industry in its enormous size. Shovel 996 has outstanding weight and strength, allowing it to dig tons of coal per hour. In addition, it is equipped with an intelligent control system that supports easy and efficient mining operations. With its powerful digging arm and rugged features, the Shovel 996 can penetrate layers of soil and rock and operate in challenging environments. Next up is the famous Hitachi excavator, commonly known as the Hitachi Zaxis 350 CE. The Hitachi Zaxis 350 excavator is manufactured by Hitachi Construction Machinery and is powered by a powerful diesel engine that meets all emission standards. It also boasts high performance and torque, allowing for efficient and quick digging and lifting of heavy objects. This giant crane is designed for installation in ports and harbors. The structure of this large crane here is for dredging and digging riverbeds. Moreover, it can also support light cargo transportation. Its long rod can reach a depth of up to 33 meters from the water to the riverbed. The Komatsu D475, a bulldozer, is a large grader manufactured and introduced by Komatsu, a leader in the construction and heavy equipment industry. The Komatsu D475, a bulldozer, has a high-performance diesel engine that enables efficient shoveling work due to its large dimensions, including total length, width, height, etc. Komatsu D475, a bulldozer, is widely used in large construction projects. Watch here. If you find this video good, give yourself a like and subscribe to the channel to support Far Window. Thank you, dear friends. Next, the Caterpillar 11 Next Gen is a large bulldozer that represents advancements in technology and performance. Caterpillar Inc., a leading construction and mining equipment company, manufactures the D11 Next Gen. It has a C32 Acert engine, allowing it to operate in harsh conditions such as mountainous terrain, coal mines, large construction sites, and other demanding tasks. Its special capabilities include advanced features such as an intelligent control system. The Caterpillar 11 Next Gen is highly rated for its strength, durability, performance, and overall performance. The O and KRH 120 Orenstein and Koppelder 120 excavator is used in the mining and construction industries. The O and KR 120 weighs from 114 to 120 tons and is equipped with a powerful digging attachment that has a large bucket with a volume from about 6.5 cubic meters to 8 cubic meters crane machine. Diesel engines power excavation operations and can range in horsepower from 720 to 870. The Anker 120 is about 12 meters long, about 5 meters wide, and about 7 meters tall. Its equipped features allow it to quickly mine different materials like earth, stone, sand, etc. Now let's talk about the RH120E5, a large hydraulic excavator manufactured by Komatsu. The RU120E5 has an operating weight of approximately 249,000 kilograms, 549,000 pounds, and is powered by a twin-turbo diesel engine to power its operation. It has automatic lubrication system and advanced steering system, allowing flexible operation and working ability. The O and KR 120E1 is a large excavator manufactured by Orenstein and Koppel O&K. The O and KR 120E1 has an operating weight of 108 to 115 tons, smaller than the O and KR 120 excavator mentioned above. However, despite its lower weight, the O and KR 120E1 has an engine that delivers a maximum output of 960 GP, 716 kilowatts. As a result, the bucket capacity and dimensions, including length, width, and height, are almost similar between the two models. The Caterpillar 988F is another large loader manufactured by Caterpillar Inc. Operating weight of the Caterpillar 988F is approximately 49 tons depending on the specific version. It has buckets with capacities ranging from approximately 5.4 cubic meters to 7.3 cubic meters and has capacities from 375 to 455 GP. The Caterpillar 988 is designed for applications requiring high power and exceptional load capacity. It can efficiently and quickly load and move materials, thus increasing productivity and saving time in construction, transportation, mining, and other industrial fields. The Caterpillar 992 grams is a large loader manufactured by Caterpillar Inc. with an operating weight of approximately 98 tons depending on the specific version. The Caterpillar 992 grams has a sturdy bucket for lifting and moving heavy materials. It uses a Caterpillar diesel engine that powers the load operation with an output of 800 GP, 597 kilowatts. As for the size, they may differ depending on the different versions of the machine. This is a medium-sized excavator. If you like content about heavy machinery like this, give Mr. Machine a like and subscribe to the channel to watch the next interesting parts. Thank you, my good friend. The Caterpillar 966A loader is a type of wheel loader. It is powered by a Caterpillar C11 Acer diesel engine, which has a large lift and payload capacity of about 6.7 tons, 15,000 pounds, and a maximum thrust of about 20.5 tons, 45,000 pounds. With these powerful features and capabilities, the CAT 966 8-wheel loader has become renowned for construction projects, mining operations, and various industrial and agricultural applications. This huge machine is often used to drive and compact foundation piles deep into the ground. These piles are consolidated in preparation for the construction of structures such as buildings or other projects. Do you know the name of this machine and where it was made? Please comment below and let me know. On the Caterpillar 966H, there is also the Caterpillar 990. The Caterpillar 990 is a powerful and large capacity wheel loader. It has a diesel engine that enhances performance in various working conditions. With its agile design and excellent handling, the Caterpillar 990 enables efficient work even in rough terrain. Caterpillar 990 is a powerful and reliable tool for our tasks. Next is the compactor. Combined with it is the mechanism with the ironing blade. This compaction and leveling makes recycling faster for a clean, green environment. This empty compactor, like teeth, is designed at the wheel to crush various types of waste. This is a mid-range Volvo excavator that has been replaced with a grinding mechanism. The attachment of the grinding blades allows it to clear vegetation along the edge of the road. As we can see, even in difficult weather conditions with heavy snow, the performance of this excavator remains unaffected. Everyone is witnessing an impressive scene when T250 trucks combine with earth movers to build a road across a dam. With the large capacity of the T250 and powerful engine, hundreds of blocks of soil and rock are continuously dumped. Then the earth mover flattens the ground in the desired direction. Thanks to this harmonious collaboration, engineers quickly create new roads. CAT D11R is one of the bulldozer models manufactured by Caterpillar. It is an upgraded version of the D11 and was introduced in 1990. The CAT D11R is powered by a Caterpillar 3580E diesel engine, providing a maximum power output of about 850 GP, 634 kilowatts. It has a wide working blade, allowing the bulldozer to move large amounts of material with each pass. The D11R is designed to operate in challenging construction environments, such as mining, railway construction, military standards, and other applications. It can work effectively in a variety of terrains, including soil, sand, rock, and saline soil. The excavator feeds ice into the Metso LT106 crusher made by Metso Corporation. This machine can handle medium to high stone crusher hardness rocks. When ice is put into the machine, it will be crushed into smaller rock fragments by the two faces of the crushing jaw, using a V-shaped jaw that moves up and down to crush the rock. Metso LT106 is equipped with a Caterpillar C93 diesel engine with a rated capacity of 220 fork. The PE2800MQ is a large mining equipment produced by P&H Mining Equipment. The machine operates by using coordinated control of the cable with the power of a 16-cylinder diesel engine, with a maximum output of 2,500 horsepower. This machine can excavate up to 200 cubic meters of earth and rock per hour. The Komatsu D475, a bulldozer, is known for its powerful and flexible performance. It has a 1340 horsepower engine and various attachments such as a dozer blade, ripper, shovel, earth auger, and rock breaker. In addition, with strong tracks, the machine can move at a maximum speed of up to 11 kilometers per h, saving time and increasing work productivity. The Caterpillar 994F is one of the largest excavators from Caterpillar, with a load capacity of up to 109 tons and an engine output of up to 1,100 horsepower. Its two front wheels are equipped with chain guards that help increase the machine's strength, allowing it to operate continuously for many hours without stopping. The 7495 excavator is an extremely modern device, able to lift loads to 109 tons and use engine power up to 1,100 horsepower. The design of this machine is like an arm with a mechanism that operates by controlling the rotating axis of the cables. The machine's bucket can be opened and closed to flexibly perform excavation and dumping tasks. With these outstanding features, the 7495 excavator is one of the indispensable tools in the mining and construction industries. A majestic scene unfolds before a giant machine is in operation, the corrupt coal mining machine. Siemens coal mining machine working at Garsweiler mine in northwest Germany near Cologne. It seems to be operating slowly, but its productivity is staggering, up to 220,000 tons of coal daily. In front of you is the powerful Liebherr R9350 excavator with solid muscles, 45 tons, and is equipped with a diesel engine with up to 2240 horsepower capacity. This machine can dig up to a maximum depth of 9 meters and achieve a top digging speed of up to 14.3/hour. Watch the machine work slowly but full of power. The CAT 657 scrapers is a popular type of excavator used in the construction industry for transporting heavy materials such as soil and rocks. Here you can see dozens of machines grading roads and leveling surfaces. This type of machine is specially designed to collect and transport large quantities of materials with a capacity of up to 45 meter 3. It is equipped with a diesel engine with a power output of up to 875 horsepower, which enhances its efficiency and flexibility in operation. The The next machine we have is the Liebherr R9350, one of the large and powerful excavators used in mining and construction activities. This machine uses an upward-facing bucket which enhances its digging capabilities on hard soil. The bucket can be opened and closed into two parts for digging and releasing soil. It is equipped with a diesel engine with a power output of up to 2240 horsepower. This machine can dig up to 9 meters and achieve a maximum digging speed of 14 m/hour. Before you is the Caterpillar TAT385C excavator, performing excavating the road surface, gradually turning up chunks of dirt, rocks, and steel bars. This machine is equipped with an 18.1-liter diesel engine and achieves a power output of 451 kilowatts, providing strong and efficient operation. With its large size, the machine can excavate large areas. It has advanced features such as an automatic control system and Caterpillar's comprehensive monitoring system to increase performance and energy savings. The Liebherr R9250 is an impressive rock and coal mining excavator with a robust design that can be seen in its large arm. Despite operating continuously 24/24, it still maintains durability and high-quality work efficiency. With a powerful engine of 1140 kilowatts and a fuel tank capacity of up to 9,000 liters, this machine can operate continuously for 15 hours before refueling. The CAT 986 is a large wheel loader with 60 centimeter shoes to enhance operating power. It is powered by a Caterpillar 18-acer diesel engine with a maximum output of up to 541 horsepower and a hydraulic lifting system, including a variable displacement hydraulic pump and flow control valve. The cabin design of the CAT 986 is spacious and comfortable, helping the operator work in a more pleasant working environment. Would you like to own this excavator with these outstanding features and utilities? Caterpillar seems to be taking the lead in producing heavy-duty machines for the construction industry. Among them, the D11 machine is making a strong impression with its ability to tear through layers of soil and rock with just the power of its engine. When looking at the plumes of smoke it emits, we cannot help but admire the extraordinary power of this machine. The world's most outstanding heavy machinery and equipment has demonstrated unparalleled excellence in technological breakthroughs. Their outstanding performance has changed the way we view and approach construction and resource mining projects. Looking back at the achievements of these technological dinosaurs, we cannot help but marvel at the strength and progress that mankind has achieved. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to follow the next episodes.